Hello, welcome to Weku Gardens. My name is Christina, and this is a place where we discuss all things gardening and maybe sometimes family or some other things. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up or down, but let's keep it positive. Hit the thumbs up, okay? It's okay. Subscribe and hit the notification bell. As you can see from the picture, it's time to start sowing seeds. We're keeping it simple. Seed starter mix, cup, tray, seeds, scissors, Sharpie. Let's go. I cut up the solo cup to make garden labels for my seeds so I know what is what. I have made the mistake before of not knowing what I had grown, so I wasn't sure of its needs. Did it need this much light? Not enough water? Whatever. Make mistakes, you live and learn. Also, please make sure you pre-moisten your seed starter mix. You don't want it wet completely or muddy, but you want it a little firm and just moist enough that if you kind of squeeze your hands together, it may create like a little ball or hold its shape just a little bit. Okay. Moistening your seed starter mix will break up the surface tension and make it easier for your seeds to germinate. And it also makes it easier for you to get out any air pockets that may be in the mix in your trays or your pots. So you definitely want to do that. It will increase your germination rate of your seeds, but that also depends on the quality of your seeds as well. Right now, I want to give a shout out to Lead Farmer 73, Lady Cheryl, Homestead Heart, Black Gumbo, and M.I. Gardener. I have been watching them, I have been learning, and all the while they have been inspiring me to start my own garden. And trust me, check them out on YouTube. You will learn a lot and you will laugh even more. So you have to check them out. It's a must. Right here, you will see me taking out all the debris, the big debris actually, that could inhibit, seed growth, germination. So you want to take the big pieces out. You don't need those. You definitely want to make sure you have a better rate at germination as possible. So take those out. And I'm just sowing seeds here, making sure it's right. Tapping it, making sure I'm getting all the air pockets out, because I want to help my seeds grow. I was inspired to start my garden last year because of the pandemic. I'll be honest, it was because of the pandemic and not being able to get things at the grocery stores. Things as simple as like onions and tomatoes. And I'm just like, okay, this is stuff I really could be growing in my own backyard. So that's what I decided to do. I made some mistakes along the way. I'll share those mistakes so you won't have to. I have tried to keep this journey very simple and inexpensive. So I'll share that with you as well. And as you can see right here, I was using a Sharpie to make my little indentation for my seeds. I think those are pepper seeds that I'm growing, or that I'm starting right there. Yeah, I think those are peppers. And yeah, definitely make sure you use the labels, because right now my peppers, eggplants, and tomato seedlings actually look the same. I'm pretty sure I'll be able to tell which is which after they get more leaves, but right now the little baby leaves, and I know that's not a scientific term, but I just call them the little baby leaves. They all look the same. I can't tell them apart, so I'm just kind of glad that I did label. So yeah, you definitely want to do that. But again, back to why I started gardening. I feel like I was pushed because of the pandemic and inspired by other YouTubers. Yeah, as you can see, it's really coming down. That was my garden, and here's the finished product. I am done. Please remember, peace, love, and Weku. Goodbye.